Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the result of what we are going to be doing. I use that pattern to make all these buttonholes I'm showing you guys here. So this is what I used to make all the shirts. Okay, if this is what you want to learn, kindly stay on the video and please subscribe to my channel. So first off, I used my pin to pin it down so it won't shift while I'm marking. Okay, so I'll start by marking down 3 inches from the neckline. Okay, just place your tape from the neckline. You take down 3 inches from there all the way to where you want your buttons to stop. Just take 3 inches difference. That is the space you need for your buttons and your buttonhole. 3 inches difference. And the next I'm going to be doing is on the other side of my shirt, that's the button side. Remember the buttonhole comes at the right hand side for a female shirt. Okay, so on the other side of my shirt where my button is going to sit, I'm going to mark the same thing. Okay, I'm going to mark the same thing on that part of my shirt. And after that, you move to your sewing machine. Okay, you use your sewing machine on that point where we marked our 3 inches. You're going to do like a gather stitch all the way, like it will be like a 2 line, very close. That is what I'm just doing. On that part, just go to your machine, you gather it, just sew like a gather stitch, on that part. Okay, you see what I'm doing on that part where I marked my 3 inches. I'm just going to do like a gather stitch there, 2 lines, the way your buttonhole is supposed to look, 2 lines. And I'm going to do this for all the 3 inches line I just marked. And the next thing I'm going to tell you is that remember that the buttonhole always comes at the right side. The other side is your button side. So you just need your buttonhole side to do your buttonhole. Don't do this on both sides of your shirts. And here, this is what it looks like after the final part. This is what it looks like. Okay, so you can do this for your buttonhole.